Hey, what's up, guys? And welcome to another video. So, in today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of my new Isincer 87 LED bulbs that's going in my VLAN projector headlights, second gen. That's currently on my 2009 Toyota Yaris sedan. Um, Now there was an issue. Well, not issue with me personally, but there was a shipping delay. These were supposed to come in last week, but for some reason these came from a company out in California. It came over to the East Coast to North Carolina. Then it got shipped up to where I'm at in Virginia. And then once it got to Virginia, for some reason, it got sent back to North Carolina for 1 or 2 days, and then came back to the state of Virginia. Then finally got delivered. I'm not really sure what was going on there, but I'm glad it's finally here. Do unboxing and then an install video. Um, but no, the reason I went with this particular brand because I was looking for the best 8-7 LED bulbs that's available. Um, Now there's popular brands out there and all this stuff, but I don't care about the brands. I care about the reviews products get. And this particular one, it had a little over 800 to 900 positive 4 to 5 star reviews, with 1 or 2 that wasn't very happy with it. I guess theirs was defective. Another one was the brightness wasn't up to their standards or stuff like that. It wasn't that bright. But other than that, all across positive reviews from people that's all brought this product and everything. But let's get into it, to the unboxing. So this is the packaging that it comes in. It's plain Jane, clean look with the red and black. So it's not much going on the packaging. Now these cost $30, and in some places it's 40 or 35. Depends where you get it from. What's this pamphlet? It's just no, it's instructions. Who cares? Ooh, he's pretty nice. Gold quality is pretty good too. Anything else in here? No, that's it. All right, set that aside for now. Now, for the VLAN projector headlights, this is the kind of plug you're gonna look for. Well, not look for. This is what you're gonna need to do the conversion from the halogen to LEDs. And when I do the install video, I'll show you guys what I mean. It's a plug and play, so you don't have to worry about doing like any modifications or anything like that. So this is anodized aluminum base, and it's PA66 plus 30% GF, which is pretty much high temperature resistant. This is, I don't know why it's not rubber, but it's a plastic seal. But hopefully I won't have any issues with that. It's an A3 fan shield. You got a little built-in turbo fan. It's made of plastic, but it's a mute cooling fan, and it's about 12,000 RPMs, rotations per minute, high speed. What else? Even the top base is made of aluminum too. And this is Bridge Lux Code LEDs. It's supposed to be really bright. Um, Now the fitment on these, I'm not really sure. It looks a whole lot bigger than what the photos look. Um, but they also got a mini version. Hopefully, I don't have to exchange it for the mini. Hopefully, I'm just overthinking, but it looks like the length is a whole lot longer. But I will be doing an install video, show you guys how to swap out from halogen to LED to these. Um, I will also be doing another video that's going to be doing a comparison between the halogen bulb and these, showing the brightness and which one I think is better. So stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye.